Guys, this is me Bojack here, and today I'm gonna explain bouncing problem. The problem is from today's Codeforces round 687 div 2. So in this problem you're given two numbers, okay, P and K, okay, and a string consisting of ones and zeros. Sorry for my bad handwriting. Okay, and a lot of it, and X and Y. I'm coming to X and Y a bit later. Okay, P is your starting point. So suppose P is given 3, then you start from here. If P was given 2, then you start from here. And K, what is K is the amount you can jump with. Like suppose K is given 3, so you can jump from here to here, and then again you can jump from here to here, and then again you jump from here to here, and you jump out of there. Like in this game, okay, in this game you have to jump out of the air, and like the the platforms you jump on, they have to be a 1, they can't be a 0. Like suppose think zeros are like holes. If you step onto 0 and you go out of the array, so go down and you lose. Okay, you cannot step on 0. Here comes the X and Y. The X and Y are your operations. Like suppose by using Y you can shift your P by 1. Okay, by using Y seconds you can shift your P by 1. Okay, suppose you don't want to start from here, you want to start from here, then you have to use Y seconds to do that, and X seconds to flip a 0 to a 1. Suppose the error was like this, a small error, and P was 2, right? Like start from here, okay, you jump, and K is also given 2, so this, you jump from here to here, then here, and go out of there. Okay, now you step on 2 zeros. What you can do is you can use 2 to X seconds to change all these 2 zeros into ones. Okay, or what you can do, shift your starting point by 1. Okay, start from here, then we'll go +2 here, and then out of there. In this way, like suppose if Y was given 2 and X was also given 2, in the first way you need 4 seconds. In the second way you need only Y plus 0 into X, right? Okay, so what we can do, is we can shift one after one and check how many zeros we step on. Okay, like suppose my P is 1, I'm giving P1 for easier to understand, and my K is 3, and my platform is like this, something like this. Okay, something like this. Okay, I start from here, then I jump by 3, and again 3, again 3, again 3, and out. Okay, what we do is we see how many zeros we step on, we take a count of that, and how many shifts we have made. If we start from the initial P, then the number of shift we have made is 0. So 0 into y plus the number of zeros we step in into x, right? Like if we have shifted by 1, then y 1 into y plus 0, the number of zeros we step in, like we shift from here to here, then we have to spend y money on that, y cents on that, and then we just go 3 and 3 and 3 and 3, okay, like, and we count all the zeros we step on, right? Zeros into x. Like if we go on like this, we will get a TL. Okay, so what we can do, like we see, right, suppose p plus, if this number is divisible by k, like 1 into k, 2 into k, whatever it is, okay, n into k, if this p plus something into k mod k is kind of equivalent to p mod k, right? Like suppose 2 mod 3 is 2. Like if I add 2 mod 2 plus 5 into 3, it's gonna be what? It's gonna be 17. Mod 3 is going to be 2, right? Because this number mod 3 is equal to 0. Then what we're left with is the initial value 2. So what we can do is we can have a frequency array and count frequency and count I goes from 1 to n, and we add 1 to this if our string I is equal to 0. Okay, now what we are doing is we're keeping track from the initial p, from the very p to the end, how many zeros we step in, right? Like suppose, what if we start from here, right? We're counting this, all these zeros are being counted here, right? Like suppose we start from here, okay, we have shifted our p by 4 and we start from here. So what we can do is, whenever we cross a 0, okay, we can just get it out of our frequency array. Whenever we cross a 0, we cross that from our frequency array. So in that way, like when we are shifted from, like suppose here to here, our frequency array, what it had, like suppose I is equal to 2, right? So 2 mod k minus minus, okay. In this way we get rid of the extra zeros for our equation, for this equation. And what we can do is we shift our starting position by 1 and check how many zeros we step in this way. Like if we cross a 0, then we just take it out of the frequency array and check what our equation gives us, and in the end we'll take the minimum. Let me show you guys my code. So in this, like, the n is the number of the element in your platform, p is the starting position, k is the how many elements you can make a jump. So I take the string, I take a map, the frequency map. Okay, if I'm doing I minus 1 because it's a 0 indexed string, so it's a 0, I take I mod k plus plus, I take a very large answer and start from p, and if and I check what is the number of zeros I step in, how much do I shift into y, I save it in min, I take mean answer of mn, and if I cross a 0, I just chuck it out from my frequency array, and whichever answer gives me the mean, I print it out. So this is the solution, I guess. Man, today I just fucked it up, man. I wanted to do it in a different way by using dp, and I kind of solved it. So what I did was, I was going out of the array and checking if there was something in my vector, like suppose it's n, then I'm checking n plus 15 if there is any number there, and my it's C++, so it's like it's not giving me a runtime error, it's just giving me a wrong answer. Man, sometimes it feels like the world is so smart and you are so down fuck. It's like, how can you fuck up so many times? You just keep fucking up. You just do your fuck ups again and again and again and again and again. Like, man, I'm doing this for a year now. I still haven't reached expert. Like, every time I go somewhere near 1,500, like I go down again. Like now I'm green, man. Like I'm no like green. Like I'm no disrespect to any people. It's like, if you are doing it for 1.5 year and you're still green, that says something about you, right? Like, I know I'm stupid. Like, I don't know why do I fuck up so much, man. It's like, sometimes you just feel like you shouldn't be so dumb. Like, what the fuck? How a person can be this dumb? I don't know, man. Sometimes it really feels like giving up, man. It's like, it just sucks. It just sucks so bad. I don't know, man, how people go on like, with their life knowing they are so fucking dumb. Like, no matter how much I try, whatever I do, I keep fucking up. It's not like that I don't know what to do while I'm in the conquest, like I'm clueless or something like that. I fuck up. I make the weirdest kind of mistakes I can do. It's like, how how the fuck a person can be so bad at implementation? Like, how? It's like, it feels so fucking feels I should give up. I love this shit. It's like, it sucks to be a loser, man. It sucks to be a loser. Never mind, guys. Sorry for my rant. I hope you have a good day.